video is about vitamin B12 benefits and why you should take this stuff, and I'm taking this stuff every day. I'm going to share with you the 5 roles that vitamin B12 plays in your body, why it's essential for healing and for maintaining optimal health. I bet that you already know something about B12. Now, without cheating, I want you to just take a moment for yourself and think about the one thing that comes into your mind when you think about B12 benefits. Pause the video just 1 second, post a comment down below, and let me know what popped into your mind for the first thing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Number 1, the defender. The key word here is oxygen. Oxygen kills viruses, kills pathogens. Healthy cells, they need oxygen to protect themselves against invaders. The more oxygen you have in your blood, the stronger your immune defense and your immune system. Question for you, what's that red thing here? Who transports that oxygen to the cells? 1, 2, 3, your red blood cells. And who is crucial for building those red blood cells? B12. B12 is one of the key players that help to produce the red blood cells, which are then able to carry oxygen, and that oxygen helps to protect your cells from invaders like viruses and bacteria. B12, the defender! Number 2, the mother of the king. I remember about 15 years ago when I had a blood test and I told them I'm vegan, so they tested B12. And of course, doctor came and said, oh, well, you should eat more. Any ideas? You should eat more liver. For a vegan like me, this is extremely gross. There's something important about this because it tells us where B12 is stored, the liver. No matter if you're a pig or you're a cow or you're a human, that's where it's needed. It's needed in the liver as being distributed throughout the body, and it's also needed for the liver itself. It's 2,000 plus functions. One of them being producing bile for digesting fat in your small intestine. Another one, building and synthesizing protein. Healthy liver, vegan. And of course, your liver cleans and protects your body from toxins, cleans your blood as well. So your liver is the king and B12 is the mother. Essential vitamin B12 benefit number 3, team player! Woohoo! High five! Vitamin B12 in its active form, which contains adenosyl and methylcobalamin, supports the absorption of all other vitamins and minerals that you're eating through the food. The 2 active forms of B12, methyl and adenosyl cobalamin, support vitamins and minerals, for example, zinc or iron or magnesium, to get on board as well on the team and get absorbed through your digestive system the best. Vitamin B12 benefit number 5, the healing blanket. Do you remember the saying, my nerves are raw, I'm just raw nerve right now? Did you know that nerve cells have around them a protective layer, just like a blanket, that protects the sensitive nerve and also helps them to transfer the electrical signal that they get from one cell to the next. And B12 helps to build and repair this blanket if you're dealing with neurological symptoms, but especially stress in any form. B12 will act as this healing blanket for your nervous system. Through that, it helps you to calm down irritated nerves, comforts you in stress situations, and improves brain fog issues, improves memory, and just gives you this mental clarity and energy that you need in your day-to-day life. B12, the healing blanket for your nervous system. Last but not least, vitamin B12, the creator. This stuff, vitamin B12 in its active form, is needed to create DNA. DNA is the genetic material of all of your cells. It doesn't get more important than that, because DNA really is the blueprint of life. And you might not get super excited about this whole DNA repair, and that's because when you don't have any issues with it, you don't know how important it actually is. Remember this movie Matrix? DNA is the program on which your body is running. Imagine you're like Neo in Matrix and you're in front of your computer all night and suddenly there's a virus, something goes wrong, and you put the same keys and you press the same keys and you eat the same food, but your computer is just doing weird stuff and it's not responding to you anymore in the way you did. That's DNA damage. And when you're dealing with vitamin B12 deficiency. 1 minute summary before we come to the bonus content. B12 as the defender. B12 helps to produce healthy red blood cells which are capable to transport oxygen to your cells, which makes your cells really happy and strong and improves your immunity. The mother of the king, B12 helps your liver in its 2000 plus functions, including synthesizing protein from the amino acids, which do not have to be from animals that you're eating, and cleaning and protecting your body from toxins. B12 as the team player that helps other minerals and vitamins to be absorbed the best through your digestive system and through the food that you're eating. B12 as the healing blanket for your nervous system that helps improve memory and supports you in times of stress and discomfort. The creator! B12 supports the DNA that everything is made of, the matrix of life and of your body. The most often asked questions: how much should I take from it? Which form? What should I do? What about older people? What about 4-year-olds? The most important thing about this is that it's a combination of methyl and adenosyl cobalamin. No alcohol, needs to be in a liquid form, usually red. The one that I recommend from Global Healing Center, to take 1 milliliter in the morning under the tongue or in the early afternoon, best on an empty stomach. And if you have a 4-year-old, then you just do half the dose. It's very hard to overdose B12 in those limits. Always follow what's written on the label. Sometimes elderly people that need more B12, or if you have high stress levels, you're in an active healing phase right now, then you can amp up to using B12 twice per day. 1 milliliter in the morning, 1 in the afternoon. Important to notice, B12 raises your energy level, so you might not want to do it just before you go to bed, unless you're already used to the supplement.